Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Mike. Today we are solving another Leetcode problem, which is duplicate zeros. So let's see the question. Given a fixed length integer array ARR, duplicate each occurrence of zero, shifting the remaining elements to the right. Note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not written. Do the above modification to the input array in place and don't return anything. So we have to modification in that input array. We can't take any new array and push elements in there. Okay, so let's see the example. Here is the example one. In example one, as an input ARR is equal to 102304550, and output will become 100230004, because after one here is the zero, so we have to add zero and move further all elements after zero by one. Okay, and now here you can also see after 3 it's also 0, so we have to also add 0 and move further all elements. Okay. Okay, so now let's see the example 2. Input array is equal to 1 to 3. Here is the no 0 in array, so obviously array will become same. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, we will take the loop for integer I is equal to 0 to I less than arr dot size I plus plus, and here we will take if condition. If arr of I is equal to 0, then we will return a for loop inside this if condition. So basically this for loop will shift the remaining values of the remaining elements. Okay, so for integer j is equal to, here we will take the j for last. Okay, so arr dot size -1 to j greater than or equal to I plus 2. Here we have taken I plus 2 because one at I the value will become 0, and I plus 1 we have to add 0, so we have to write here j plus 2, j minus minus. Okay, so here we will write arr of j is equal to arr of j minus 1. Okay, so after that we have to check one more condition. If arr of I, sorry, if I is not equal to arr dot size I plus 1, then we will push 0. So here I plus 1 is equal to 0. So okay, I think it's almost correct. Okay, now we have to also increment of I. Okay, so I think this should be okay. Okay, so let's try to run this. Return ARR. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, so basically here we got some error. Okay, so basically here are the word functions, so we don't have to return any error. Okay, so here as you can see our code is run successfully. Now let's try to submit this. Let's check this passes or test yes or not. Okay, so finally our code is submitted successfully. Okay guys, so this is the solution of this code, and here we have also solved another little problem. Okay guys, thanks for watching, see you on next one.